Oh, these are supposed to clip in. Aha. Where's that screwdriver at?
I'm sorry about all this. I think I should just stick to the plain old-fashioned hammer for now.
Oh, it's under there.
I apologize again. I'm a bit embarrassed. Look, Harry, nothing like a near brush with death to make one smell the roses. Isn't that what they say? You're a Harry. Anyway, it's about winning, my friend.
That's why they're not going in right.
Obvious. Your client was killed by Satan.
This one is stuck.
I want to be.
Aha! I think this one's stuck too.
Are they stuck too?
Yeah.
Go help him.
Yep, they're clogged up too.
Okay, get the leg, Kylie.
What kind of leg?
Right there. Stand up and go over there.
Put it in.
I can't see you.
Give it a pop. Give it a pop. Whoop! Pop it on top. Hard. Here. There you go. Now the legs stay in. No, they don't either. Those two. Okay, next picture. What's it say to do? Number 5. Right here. What's it say to do?
It said this is.
Well, let's see how it goes in. Goes in, wait a minute. Goes in.
This.
Yeah, it goes in this hole.
Turn it around. Upside down. Upside down.
Upside down.
Think so? No, it goes like this. And according to this, it looks like that's where it's supposed to go.
3, 4.
I can't figure out. No, that must be this piece.
This must be this.
Wait, look at this piece goes here.
4.
And how many thought that they had healed you?
I really can't know what they thought. Look, all men want to have sex. Look, listen, I don't care what you want to say. I'm your lawyer. I'm a client. Which means it's my call. Yeah, just add a few zeros every time you believe in fat muff.
I don't know what that piece is.
Let me see it.
Men.
Put it up here, Kylie. Kylie, put it up here.
Here's a rule of thumb. Live.
No, that goes in that one.
The bigger is okay.
The other way, Tom.
The bigger is the need to get laid. To see affirmation, emotional, sexual, not physical.
It does.
House.
Okay, put that last piece in. No, it doesn't go there. It goes in the other hole. Kylie.
No, not necessarily. Hold on. No, it goes on top here.
No, put it in the blue thing. This one up here. Put it in there.
Right here.
No, back where you had it the first time. Right up here.
Well, it shows that this gets filled up. Then you take it
To here.
and
Fill it
then
up.
you put water in there or something. If you put a hose in there,